Hello, Snamley. I'd like to play a game.
What is this place?
What the hell?
Where am I? What?
Each of you is hooked up to a device that has the potential to end your lives.
The hell? Oh God! Oh my God, it's in my dick!
It is by your own sick and blasphemous choices that you find yourselves here today.
You some kind of nut-used Nancy boy, ain't you?
That's not helping, honey.
I'm gonna party. It's true! Jesus, not my eyes!
I do not act without conscience, nor do I lack the capacity for mercy. Each one of you can earn the privilege of a second chance at life, even the weakest among you. Before you is something you've come to know well.
What?
Brown, I believe you call it.
And I'm to do what with it exactly?
Drinking down the gallon will grant you freedom.
You want me to what?
Failure to free yourself will result in pure bleach, pumping down the tube embedded in your flesh. Live or die, you decide.
I can't do it. I'm gonna be sick. You can do it, boy. Show that dookie cup who's boss. You can do it, sweetie. Yay! Chug chug the poopy juice. I did it. How did that free me?
There was a key at the bottom of the container.
Oh, is that what that hard thing was? Yeah, I ate that. You what? Boy, your dumbass did what? I mean, is anyone really surprised at this point? And he cries like a sissy boy.
I was just thinking the same thing.
Angry!